The age of the smart home is definitely here. It's the fastest growing trend in real estate. Some say it's the biggest change in housing since plumbing went indoors. And when it comes to smart home, the biggest impact is smart lighting. Lighting is the largest system in your house, and you use it many times per day. Custom smart lighting solutions are crazy expensive, and DIY programming is way too complicated. Neopod changes all of that. It is a smart lighting system with built-in features that makes your house more convenient, safe, beautiful, and eco-friendly. You can be lying in bed and say, "Alexa, turn off my lights." Or click a button as you're leaving and have all the lights in the house turn off. Outdoor lights automatically turn on at dusk. And if you're away, lights turn on and off so your house never looks empty. Rooms always look their best with dialed-in brightness levels, which saves energy to boot. Plus, you'll never leave lights on when you don't need them, even the hard-to-reach ones. Useful, easy, and affordable. That's smart lighting for all. That's Neopod.